Alright guys, so everyone hates the cute baby. What's the yellow cat? Alright, wait a minute, what's this? This one is amazing. Alright, cause everyone knows you. Wait, what the? Cause everyone knows you are the emoji cat abuse. Alright. Wait, the orange cat, Wait, why is the orange cat doing the Sigma face? Before that? Alright guys. Cat, yellow emoji, poop, cat, orange. Wait, what's this one is amazing. Wait, I think this one's amazing. Okay, so orange cat like and the yellow cat hate. Alright, so wait a minute. You just pick over her ears. Cause everyone knows you are the emoji cat abuse. Alright. Alright, you're dead. Alright, you're dead. Okay, wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Is just the orange cat go to her at It's just the orange cat just go to the yellow cat? Is emoji cat care? Wait, what's this? I think it's... Alright. Okay. Because everyone knows you are emoji cat abuse. Wait. Alright. Oh, alright. So they like orange cat and yellow cat. Alright. Oh my gosh. Wait, you just wrote it? Alright. So wait a minute. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, wait! Are you laughing at her? Just that is I think. Just like this. Wait, what's this? This one is cool. Okay. So, alright. So the orange cat, yes. The yellow cat, yes. And the black cat, yes. And the emoji cat heat, no. Everybody doesn't like emoji cat heat. Okay. Okay, just a emoji cat baby. Alright, the yellow cat is again. Wait a minute. What's wrong? Wait, what's wrong? Just the yellow cat. Wait, what's this? No emoji cat abuse. Just this thing. Wait, the orange cat just rolled a bottle on Luna. Wait, I think. Wait, why do you just hit him? Susimu W. Why are you thinking the orange cat is disgusting? Wait. You just hurt him? Wait, you just picked his ears? Are you kidding me? Next part 2, I think it's the end.